Dealing with significant figures is one of the most confusing things in chemistry, or science in general. This video will show you how to add or subtract using significant figures, as well as a shortcut you can take to make your life easier. Here is a multiple choice question from a Chemistry Regents exam asking you to add up 4 numbers and then select the answer that expresses the sum to the correct number of significant figures. There are 3 simple rules to follow when adding and subtracting with significant figures, 2 of which your calculator typically does for you, and they are lining up the decimal points, which, as you'll see in a few seconds, is the most important step. The second step is to add or subtract depending on the sign. The third step is to ensure that the sum or difference has the same number of digits after the decimal point as the measurement with the fewest digits after the decimal point. This is why lining up the decimal points is important. Here's what this means. The first measurement of 6.6412 has a total of 4 digits after the decimal point. Meanwhile, the second measurement only has 2, which is currently the fewest. The third has 3, and the last measurement also has 2. Therefore, the sum can only have 2 digits after the decimal point, which means we will need to refer to the next digit to see whether or not to round up or leave it alone. Since the next digit is a 5 or greater, we'll round the prior digit up and leave off any of the remaining digits, making the answer choice 4. But here's a tiny little shortcut when it comes to adding or subtracting with significant figures. As long as you know to count the number of digits after the decimal point, the correct answer will be the one that has the same number of digits after the decimal point as the measurement with the fewest, which in this case is 2. The only time this wouldn't work is if there was more than one choice that also had the fewest number of digits after the decimal. In that case, you will need to calculate and round correctly. This shortcut also works for subtraction problems. Without calculating, you should now be able to quickly tell what the answer is. Before I show you the correct answer, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you can be the first to know when a new video gets produced. Okay, so the correct answer is choice 2, because it is the only choice that has 1 digit after the decimal point, just like the measurement with the fewest digits after the decimal point. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up or leave your feedback in the comment section below this video. Thank you for watching.